Welcome to Learn English Road. In today's lesson, we're going to learn English through one of the most romantic songs of all time, Casablanca by Bertie Higgins. Music is a fun and powerful way to improve your English. It helps you understand new words, practice pronunciation, and feel the rhythm of real, natural English. As we listen to Casablanca, we'll break down the lyrics, explore the meaning behind the lines, and learn useful phrases you can use in everyday life. So sit back, relax, and let the music guide your English learning journey. Let's get started.
Fell in love with you watching Casablanca. Back row of the drive-in show in the flickering light. Popcorn and cokes beneath the stars became champagne and caviar. Making love on a long hot summer's night. But you fell in love with me watching Casablanca, holding hands neath the paddle fans in Rick's candlelit cafe, hiding in the shadows from the spies, Moroccan moonlight in your eyes, making magic at the movies in my old Chevrolet. Still a kiss in Casablanca, but a kiss is not a kiss without your side. Please come back to me in Casablanca. I love you more and more each day as time goes by. Guess there are many broken hearts in Casablanca. You know I've never really been there, so I don't know. I guess our love story will never be seen upon the big white silver screen, but it hurt just as bad when I had to watch you go. But a kiss is not a kiss without your side. Please come back to me in Casablanca. I love you more
Thanks for listening and watching. Subscribe for more fun English lessons. Join the journey, learn English the easy way. Click to watch the next lesson.